Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to create budget proposals in Notion using templates in 2025. Start with a budget proposal or financial planning template from Notion gallery or community. This usually includes sections for proposal title, project scope, estimated costs, funding sources, and approval status. They give you polished structure right out of the box. Customize the template by entering your project details, break expenses into categories like labor, materials, and calculate. You can also tag proposals by departments, clients, or projects to keep everything organized. Different views to make your proposal more professional. A table view for itemized cost, a board view for proposal by statue, and even gallery view if you want client-facing presentation. Many templates also include approval workflows, so stakeholder can review and sign off directly in Notion. Finally, link your budget proposal template to related databases like project trackers, invoices, or billing system. This way, once a proposal is approved, it connects seamlessly to execution and financially tracking. And that's it, how you can create transparent and collaborative budget proposals with Notion templates in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.